If you want more leads, more sales, and marketing that actually works, listen up, because this will save you years of trial and error. Oh, and before we start, I've got something huge for you. I'm giving away $9,000+ worth of marketing resources, including high-converting funnels, sales scripts, automation templates, and more, all for free. Stay till the end, and I'll show you how to access it. Let's dive into 10 powerful marketing lessons that will help you dominate your industry, attract more customers, and skyrocket your sales fast. Lesson 1. Attention is everything. If you don't have attention, you don't have a business. Your offer can be life-changing, but if nobody sees it, it doesn't matter. Use bold hooks, call out pain points, make them stop scrolling. Lesson 2. Sell the outcome, not the product. Nobody cares about what you sell. They care about what it does for them. Don't sell fitness coaching. Sell a body they love. Don't sell funnels. Sell automated sales on autopilot. Don't sell courses. Sell the transformation. People don't buy products. They buy better versions of themselves. Lesson 3. Organic traffic is great, but paid traffic scales. You can grow organically, but it's slow. If you want to scale fast, you need paid traffic. Ads amplify what's already working. Your first goal isn't to profit, it's to buy data. Once you dial in your winning ad, you print money. Lesson 4. Your offer is 10x more important than your ads. Most businesses don't have a traffic problem. They have an offer problem. If you have the right offer, ads become easy. If your offer is weak, no amount of traffic will save you. Test, tweak, and perfect your offer first. Then scale. Drop offer in the comments if you agree. Lesson 5. Retargeting equals easy money. Most sales don't happen the first time people see you. Run retargeting ads to people who visited your page but didn't buy. Follow up with emails and texts. This is where 80% of sales happen. Don't chase new leads. Convert the ones who already showed interest. Lesson 6. The fortune is in the follow-up. 98% of leads don't buy immediately. If you're not following up, you're losing money. Automate follow-ups with email and SMS. Use urgency. Give them a reason to buy now. Most people quit too early. Be the one who stays in their inbox. Lesson 7. Content is king. Distribution is queen. Creating content is easy. Getting it seen is the real game. Repurpose your content across platforms. Don't just create. Distribute aggressively. The more places people see you, the more trust you build. Lesson 8. Build an email list or stay broke. Social media traffic is rented. Your email list is yours. Own your audience. Email converts 3 to 5 times higher than social media. If your account gets banned, your list still prints money. Lesson 9. Automation greater than hustling. If you're doing everything manually, you're playing the game wrong. Automate lead capture and follow-ups. Automate content scheduling. Automate your sales process. Let technology do the heavy lifting. This is exactly why I use GoHighLevel. It replaces 10+ tools and runs my business while I sleep. It captures leads, follows up, and closes sales without lifting a finger. If you sign up using my link in the description, you'll get my highest converting marketing funnels, sales scripts, and $9,000+ in bonuses to grow fast. Trust me, once you try GoHighLevel, you'll never go back. Lesson 10. Speed wins. Most people overthink, delay, and wait for perfect. Winners take action, learn fast, and adjust. The faster you execute, the faster you win. If you're done waiting and ready to take action, type "I'm ready" in the comments. Oh, and by the way, if you want to skyrocket your marketing and automate your sales, I'm giving away my 9,000+ marketing resource bundle for free. High-converting funnel templates, proven sales scripts and automations, step-by-step marketing workflows. Just click the link in the description to grab it now. Listen, if you actually want to grow your business faster, go watch the GoHighLevel breakdown now. Learn how to automate your marketing and sales with GoHighLevel. Grab the free templates and resources I'm giving away. Start scaling your business the smart way. The link is in the description. Click it now. If this video helped, hit subscribe and let's win together.